it's okay. So, a very good morning, all of you. Most of the schools are having examination, maybe midterm examination or FA1, whatever. So, because in this present area also, almost most of the schools are having exams from 11th. Okay. So in this, especially in this class, I would like to just give you a fast review of the chapters. Very fast review of the chapters. Very fast review. Now, if I take the textbook, the same textbook is there for Andhra State and the CBSE. Okay, all CBSE schools are having this textbook. Okay, and Andhra Pradesh also, Andhra Pradesh State Board also using the same book, but they have given in both languages. Okay, in English and even in Telugu also, both languages they are given. So I'll just give you a fast revision on this book. Yesterday I stopped at one problem because suddenly power went, everything got disconnected, so I could not continue. I am going to continue. So the chapter 1 says it is chapter 1 is number systems. Chapter 1 is number systems. All basic things will be there in this, basic concepts will be there in this. So here what is a number line, you have to understand. Okay, a very important thing, everybody should understand what is a number line. Okay, number line is very simple. It is a line on which numbers will be represented. So in this number line, all the numbers, whatever the numbers we represent, we locate, they are called real numbers. Okay, so what numbers you can locate on this real number line? Natural numbers, integers, whole number, fractions, decimals, etc. Only one type of numbers we cannot represent, they are not real numbers. So real means which exist on the number line. So everybody should be having a little knowledge about this. And then next concept is inserting rational numbers between two numbers, any two numbers. So this concept also everybody should learn, because this question will definitely come in the examination. Insert two rational numbers between so and so, insert 5 numbers between so and so. This is exercise 1.1. Okay, all of you should be able to do this particular question. I'll put it with red color. Okay, red color. So inserting rational numbers between any two numbers. Okay, so in the textbook some worked out examples are also given, and in the exercise two problems are given. you can do these two problems. If you still want some extra practice, you can contact me or you can buy any reference book. Okay. So the next concept in this is irrational numbers. In this, irrational numbers will be there. Let me write here. What are irrational numbers? So he has given irrational numbers definition and also examples. Okay, definition is given and examples are also given. So in this, this my review will be useful for your midterm examination or for forthcoming examination. Okay, so here root 2, root 3, root 4, all these all these numbers are known as root numbers. All root numbers. Only root 2, root 3, root 4 no, because root 4 is 2. Root 5, all these are irrational numbers. So then locating on number line. Locating on number line. I told you now, number line is very, very important concept. So all these root numbers, you have to represent it, you have to locate it on the number line. So in the textbook, locate root 2 on number line, it's given. Root 3 also number line example is given. And in the exercise, some more questions were given. Root 5 can be represented on the number line and etc. Very, very important. Okay. So a spiral diagram also is given. Till now, because no school will give this spiral, because 9th class is a school examination. Okay, only school people will conduct the examination. CBSE won't involve in this. Okay, so then next concept 1.2 exercise is completely based on the locating root numbers on the number line. So next concept in this chapter is real numbers and their decimal representation. So decimal representation of the real numbers. Decimal representation of real numbers also very important. So what are decimal numbers? How do you convert a P by Q form to decimal number? How do you convert a decimal number to P by Q form? P by Q form means rational number, a fraction. So how do you convert a fraction, a rational number to decimal number to rational number? So in this you will be getting all the things and then locating them on the number line. It's not only understanding conversion, also you have to locate them on the number line. In this, one important question is there: express 1.2 root 7 as P by Q form. This is one question, a very, very important question. Okay, so I don't think a representation of decimal numbers will be given in the text exam paper, but this question you may be getting in the examination. So one decimal recurring rational number will be given, recurring decimal number, non-terminating recurring decimal number will be given. They will ask you to convert this into P by Q form. A very important question. Okay, so and this question is there in 1.3. So mostly this 1.3 is talking about the decimal numbers. Okay, so then next very important concept is operations on real numbers. Operations on real numbers. This is the next question. Okay, so we know natural numbers. Operations means addition, subtraction, multiplication, division. We have done operations of addition, subtraction, multiplication, division in natural numbers, whole numbers, integers, etc. and we have to do operations in the root numbers. Okay, root 2, root 3, etc., etc. Okay, that means I can say irrational numbers. So how do you add irrational numbers? What is the addition of two irrational numbers? How are you going to add irrational numbers? How are you going to subtract irrational numbers? How are you going to multiply the irrational numbers? So that is given in the form of a surds. Okay, some schools will use a word surds here. Okay, so that means addition, subtraction, multiplication, division of these root numbers. So previously they have given cube root also, but in this time they have removed all the roots. Cube roots are not there. Only square roots are there. Okay. So this 1.4 exercise talking about these operations of the irrational numbers. Classify as irrational, irrational, and simplify the product, addition, subtraction, all those things. So, and rationalize the denominator, etc., etc. And the last concept is loss of exponents. This you have been studying right from class 7, loss of exponent. So one of the easiest chapter, easiest concept, loss of exponent. So now in this also you may be getting a question, loss of exponents. So in this you will be getting a 4 marks question, big question you will be getting. In this also loss of exponent also you may be getting a question. So these 4 red color symbols are very, very important. Okay. So wherever you are having a problem, it's okay. Ashok Agarwal, they may not be watching. It's okay. It is my time pass, don't worry. Thank you for at least you are watching. It's fine. So this is the complete review of the chapter number 1. Right? Tomorrow I'll do review on the second chapter. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye bye.